Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'll be unboxing my picks from Metiers and Coco Beach. I'll make sure I link my previous shopping vlogs above in case you've missed them. So yeah, let's move on with the unboxing so I can show you what I ended up buying. Today's video sponsor is Ana Luisa and I'm wearing some of the new pieces that I picked up. So I will start with the ring. I actually stacked it together with my Cartier ring and I think it looks so pretty. It's such a dainty piece. It looks very pretty on its own as well. You can tell that the quality is good because when I stack it together with my Cartier, it doesn't look less shiny. I would say the crystals are so sparkly and bright, so it doesn't look out of place, if you know what I mean. And that's another reason I love Ana Luisa and I always recommend it to you guys. I personally love mixing my high jewelry pieces with Ana Luisa pieces. Their prices start at $39. And on top of that, you can get 10% off with my discount code, which I will make sure I leave on the screen and down below in the description box as well. I also wanted to show you another example. I picked up this absolutely gorgeous bracelet with pearls. It looks great on its own. Actually, I already have the matching necklace that I think I showed you in one of my previous videos. So I love wearing the necklace and the bracelet together. It's such a beautiful summery piece because of the pearls, but I also love how it looks stacked with my hammered gold Alhambra bracelet. Also, I did pick up two more pieces. It is a set of earrings and necklace, and these ones have mother of pearl hearts. Also, I got the matching necklace. As you can see, it is currently on the shortest setting. It's more like a choker, but it does have 3 settings, so you can layer with different necklaces and choose the right length for you. When you wear them, they look very elegant. Their designs are so unique, but also they have launched some beautiful colorful pieces, very fun pieces for summer. If you check the new in section, I loved, they have these new martini huggies with a martini glass as well as a matching necklace, and also they had one with a lipstick. Definitely check them out. I think they're so fun and cute for summer. Okay, I will start with my favorite purchase, which is from Coco Beach. It is a ready-to-wear piece, and Coco Beach launched 2 or 3 days after Metiers here in London. So I picked up, can you guys guess? If you've watched my shopping vlog, you might guess I picked up this. Oh my god, isn't it stunning? Wow. I am obsessed with this. So this can be worn as a cropped jacket, a very beautiful summer jacket, very lightweight, or you can wear it all buttoned up as a top. And I love that it's versatile. You can wear it different ways. I really loved the colors, I loved the print. Also, if you look closely, the CCs have tiny little sequins that sparkle when the sun shines. It has gorgeous gold buttons. It is a very lightweight summery tweed, and yeah, Coco Beach collections are supposed to be like holiday collections. I really loved the ready-to-wear in this collection. It is so fun. It definitely feels very summery. I loved the scalloped detailing on most pieces. This top, you can see, also has that scalloped detailing, and it's so flattering on, especially with high-waisted jeans. I did already wear it, so I removed the tags, but I will insert a close-up of the tag with the reference number if you're looking for this piece. This is from the 22M collection. I can't remember the exact price. I must have shown you the price in my vlog, but I believe it was just under 3k, so I think it was 2,800 something, I believe. But yeah, I really loved it. As I mentioned, this was my favorite. I really loved some of the denim pieces. I didn't buy the bag, the pearl bag that I was eyeing initially. I was contemplating between the clutch or the large tote, which I loved. I definitely prefer it to the Chanel 22 bag. However, I found it really expensive. I was hoping it would be the same price as the 22. If it was the same price, around £4,500, I would have definitely bought the large tote, but it was almost 6k, and I thought for a fabric satin bag it wasn't worth it. Although it was very pretty, it would have been a great holiday bag. I also really loved the clutch, but the clutch was also quite pricey, so I didn't end up getting any of them. And I really loved some of the denim bags. They were also some of my favorites. Overall, the collection I really loved. I've been waiting for this collection for about 2 months, I would say. This collection actually launched and I thought it might be an exclusive for the Saint-Tropez boutique. If you haven't seen the Saint-Tropez boutique, Google it, guys. I will insert a picture here. It is one of the most beautiful Chanel boutiques I have seen. There is a swimming pool in the back and also a hut where they have some exclusive pieces just for that boutique, and that was actually where I saw this collection first. Someone posted on stories on Instagram and I saw they had this collection in. I thought it might be Coco Beach, but I wasn't sure if it was just exclusive for the boutique, so I messaged my SA and she told me this collection will be coming in the UK. Yeah, very happy with my pick from the collection. I absolutely love it and I can't wait to wear it now in the summer. So pretty. Okay, moving on with Metiers d'Art. So let me show you what I picked up from Metiers d'Art. I will start with this box. This is actually the only purchase that I wouldn't say I regret, but it was a bit stupid and very spontaneous. I didn't even check the price. So let me unbox it and I'll show you. So it comes in this box and inside we have a scrunchie. I did ask to see the scrunchies. I was looking at some other styles and then my SA pulled this one out and I preferred this one. This also looked better with my shorter hair. My hair is quite short now. It is very adorable, so cute. It resembles the Chanel ribbon. This one also comes in the reversed colors, so white with black writing. It is made of silk. And the scrunchie is very comfortable when you wear it. I also really love how it looks on. I mentioned in one of my previous vlogs that after the virus my hair has been very weak and I had to cut off literally half of my hair. It's been really thin and I try to avoid wearing a ponytail just because it looks very thin. So that's actually one of the reasons I wanted to have a look at these scrunchies, because they have the big twirly scarves and when you put it in your hair, your pony doesn't look that thin. So I wanted to try one out and see if I will like it. So the ones you saw in the vlog were older season. They've been doing those for a while, but this is a new season scrunchie with this ribbon and I really liked it on my hair now because it's shorter. I did try on the other ones with the longer scarves, but my ponytail looked so tiny and then the scarves were much longer than my hair, so maybe I could get one of those later on when my hair grows, but for now I think this one looks perfect with the length of my hair. The reason I said it was maybe a bit of a stupid purchase was because I actually didn't realize how expensive these are. I really loved it. I knew I wanted one, so when I went to the till to pay I was a bit surprised, but I ended up getting it because I already fell in love with this one and I wanted to have it. But maybe if I knew before that I was gonna look for some alternative. It didn't have to be Chanel, but oh well, I think it's really cute. I really like it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? And yeah, as I mentioned, they had the white one. The white was very beautiful as well for summer, but I decided to go for the classic black because I thought this will look great with everything pretty much. So that's that. Okay, so this is next. So in here, actually I already showed you this on my Instagram the day I bought it because I really wanted you guys to see this and go get it before it sells out. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. So it comes in this beautiful case. This case is a bit different. I will insert a close-up. You can already tell it is a pair of sunglasses, but yeah, the case is a bit different. Normally it's faux leather. Also, did you notice the CC is slightly different on this case? It is a bit more special. So inside we have these amazing sunnies. These came in two different styles. These are the larger ones They also had a smaller frame, so let me show you up close. You can see Chanel in white and gold on the side frame, and it has this 3D effect which I absolutely loved. Also on the lens again you can see these white, it's like a 3D effect CCs. I thought they're so cool, so fun. I really loved the design of these sunnies. They looked very different and they definitely look a bit more casual. I thought these will look great styled with a leather jacket. Just imagine the look with a leather jacket. They won't go with today's outfit, but these are a bit heavier. However, I still find the frame quite comfortable. It sits really comfortably on your nose and your ears. The lenses are black, they're very dark, so they'll be great when it's like really bright and sunny outside, or if you have hangover. So yeah, this is how they look on. I'm gonna take them off because I don't want to mess up my makeup, but I'll try them on later and insert some clips so you can see. So yeah, these are the new sunnies. And last but definitely not least, I picked up some costume jewellery. Oh, look at the pretty box. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so in here we have, surprise surprise, a pair of earrings. Another pair of actually hoops. Yes, I know, I'm obsessed with hoops. I have so many Chanel hoops now, but I really loved these. I loved the black square with the white CC inside, and the actual hoop is a chain. It's a really nice size, I would say medium-sized hoops. I don't find them heavy. They also came in white, so basically white square with a black CC in the middle. I had a look at both, but I really loved the black. They looked a bit more sophisticated, a bit more cool. I do have only one other pair of black earrings from Chanel. They have this black leather detailing on them. They're like hoops again, and I seem to wear those a lot, especially in fall and winter, because I wear darker colors. So I decided to go for the black just because I thought I needed another pair of black earrings. They did also have the matching ring in black, which I also really loved. I'm still thinking about getting the ring actually, and I think I saw a choker as well. So yeah, these are the new earrings. I really love them. I can't stop buying Chanel earrings, but I do wear them a lot. I love changing them, so these are the new earrings. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's unboxing video. Let me know which one was your favorite item. Did you pick anything from Metiers or Coco Beach? Comment down below. Also, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. I do have a discount code which I will leave here, which gives you 10% off your orders. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.